everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new, you are most and highly welcome, and if you're not new, you are equally welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video, are you actually wanting to get rid of unwanted hair, or you want to introduce this to a friend or sister or colleague or mother and everybody? Yeah, watch this video because you're not going to be regretting you did. Okay, so this body hair removal is actually superb. It works so well, and the interesting part of it, it delays the growth of a new hair and make your skin super soft. Okay, and I added something that will actually keep your skin moisturized also. So if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Let me take you right into this video. So guys, to remove all unwanted hair on your body, you're gonna be needing to use turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great and ancient remedy that helps so much for the skin. It helps polish out the skin, it helps to rejuvenate and remove all unwanted pigments, and it also helps to clear your skin, removing all unwanted hair. So you're going to be applying this on those places where you actually do not want hair anymore. Okay, so we're going to be taking a good quantity of the turmeric powder into this bowl, and then we're going to also be needing tea tree oil, tea tree 100% pure essential oil. Okay, this is a great remedy that helps so much for the skin, so using it in this hair removal remedy is superb. It's going to help so much for the skin follicles and for the healthiness of the pores. Okay, because the hair is going to come out from the pores, so you need your pores to be healthy and you need your skin to be really smooth. So after that is done, we're going to also be needing lemon. Lemon is perfect for the skin, and using it in this hair removal remedy, it's only going to help you to brighten up those parts in which the hair is going to come out. Okay, to avoid bumps and to avoid the redness, okay, your skin being red and all of that. Yeah, so that's why we need to use the lemon. So I'm gonna be cutting just a little quantity of this. And then I'm going to be mixing it all up. Okay guys, so the next ingredient, which is very important for this, is tomato. Now tomato is a great remedy that helps so much in removing dark spots and all unwanted hair. Okay, so it helps equally to smoothen out the skin and reduce the redness of the skin, and also tighten up the skin. So how we're going to do this is that we're going to be cutting the tomato, and then we're going to blend the tomato. Okay guys, so now I would have to be putting the tomato into the turmeric, and make sure that the consistency is not too liquid. And then also we're going to be making use of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. So we're going to be putting in just a little quantity of the baking soda. And now we're going to stir. Now why I put in the baking soda again is because I need it to be foamy. Okay, if your ingredients or if your treatment just like this is not foamy, that means it's actually not really good. Okay, so it has to foam, and that's when you know that it is working really well. Okay. Now when you're done making this ingredients, you have to keep it for like 30 minutes, 30 to 1 hour, yeah, for the ingredient to mix inside really well. Okay, now after 30 to 1 hour, which I'll be back, and now I would have to be applying it. Now if your hair is growing downward, okay, you apply it facing downward. Sorry, I mean to say, if your hair is growing downward, you apply it facing upward. Okay, just like that. Okay, apply it on your body. You can also use it on your face. Okay guys, so after which you use it, you have to wait for a little while, let it dry. Since it is turmeric, it's going to stain your skin later, but not to worry, just soap is going to wipe everything all off and you're good to go. Okay, so when you apply it this way, then you wait. You can also apply it on your leg. You have to wait for at least 3 minutes to 5 minutes and expose it to fresh hair, let it dry. Okay, when it dries, then you would have to wash it off facing downward. Okay, that way the hair would actually fall off. All of it, the hair on your skin will fall off, and it is actually not going to grow back easily. It's going to grow back anyways, but not very easy, because this is actually uprooting the hair from the hair gland. Yeah, so that's how you do it, and then you apply just like that on any places in which you do not want hair anymore. And here is your hair removal remedy. Now, if in case your hair is actually a very strong one, you can repeat it the second day and the third day, and trust me, the time in which you use in scraping or removing your hair, if it's 1 week, it's gonna last you for 3 weeks. If it's 3 days, it's gonna last you for 2 weeks. So that's just the best part of this ingredient, in which you need to give it a try. And so that's it. Do it just like I said. You can actually apply it on your hands, your face, your body, or anywhere at all you want to get rid of hair. You can even use it to shape your eyebrow. Okay, and it's perfect, it's amazing, and it also helps to tone up your skin. It's therefore not going to leave all of those bumps which razor does or shaving stick does. Okay, It's actually going to remove the hair and make the skin smooth and glowing. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I will see you again. Ciao.